Okay, so I have to post a screencasting of a video to YouTube for my business communication class. I honestly had no idea what to talk about. I was going to try to talk about this cane that I got from door to door sales this summer. Got it for free. He was a really cool guy, and he was making these canes out of, I believe it was oak. And I thought this cane was really cool because it looked like a goose. But I thought, you know what? Why not show something even better? And it is this right here. Whoa, over. Whoa. It is my dog Luna. She's 3 years old. She's a lab pit mix. She's very small. Not small like a Chihuahua, but she's like medium sized. She's a really good size for a dog. I wouldn't have wanted anything bigger. But she is what I'm gonna post about today. And it's pretty much it, honestly. I have no idea what to talk about, but yeah, this is my dog Luna. Bye.